Hello guys, it's me Claire. Pangit. And I'm trying to make this thing. Okay, this thing. So let's get started. I already break some of these. Okay, this is like, oh my gosh, here, eat some chocolate. Okay, now. Okay, that's enough. Now time to get the girl. Yeah. Hello. Hi, I'm the girl. Bad interview. Okay. Then the plant. Yeah. Okay, then these things. Yeah. They are so small. Okay, I need to get this one. No. Yes, I got it. This is finally. I'm gonna put it. Now eat it. Okay. Now to get our second spoon. Second spoon. All right. Yeah.
I'm gonna play the new song.
What new song? Oh. Yeah. No! It's almost done.
And just look at you. You can do all I can do.
Oh, get the door. Get the door.